Okay, we are back. Hopefully this will be our last video for this set. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 19. I think this one is quite interesting. Okay, question 19 states, Derek is adding the number 12, 39, and 18. Which of the following explains how he can solve the problem correctly? A states, Derek can add 12 and 39 and get 51. Okay, let's check that. 12, 39, 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Okay, so far so good. Then he can add 51 and 18 and get a final answer of 68. Now let's check that. 51 plus 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, I can stop right there because it says 68 and I see a 9. Since the correct answer should have a 9 in it, A is incorrect. Let's look at B. Derek can first add 12 and 18 and get 30. Now, this is what I like. Because remember, you can add in any order. So obviously, we're combining terms that can make 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. The answer here is 30. Okay, so far so good. Then he can add 30 and 39 and get a final answer of 96. Okay, I really don't like this because through working the question out in number one, I know that there should be a 9 in there, right? In the final answer. So since there's not a 9 there, I know B is incorrect. C. Derek can add 12 and 18 and get an answer of 30. Again, through B, I know this is correct. Then he can add 30 and 39 and get a final answer of 69. Okay, I enjoy this 9 here. Let's see if this is correct. 30 and 39. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. Wow, same as C, right? Let's see, 5 plus 1 is 6. So this one also gave me 69. So C is the correct answer. I really like this one. Okay, that's how you solve number 19. Let's take a look at number 20. These questions, we learned them long time ago, towards the beginning of the unit. So be very careful when you're doing them. Don't be too confident. Number 20 says the table below lists the number of minutes Aiden spent reading. On which 3 days did he read a total of 65 minutes? So again, I have always told you to make tens here. Search for two numbers that can make 10. 6 can make 10 with 4. Is 4 here? Wow, it's here. So let's first add these two numbers together. Okay, 26 plus 24. 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. The answer is 50. 50 plus blank is going to equal 65. See, we're looking for a 5 here. Which one number has a 5? Wednesday does, right? We have 15 here. Let's plug 15 in. If we plug 15 in, 50 plus 15, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. See, it's the same as the 65 that we are looking for. That's why Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday are the 3 days we're going to use. So how are we going to write this? We're going to write on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Aiden read a total of 65 minutes. And that's how you do number 20. Only one question left. All right. Question 21. Let's take a look. The chart below lists item on sale at the store. 4 different items. Rodney bought 3 items for $275. What items did he buy? Let's take a look over here. We're going to make 10, right? Make 10. So this one can be a little tricky. Actually, it can be very tricky. You have to be careful. So we have 1 and 1. Wow, we have two ones here. And we know 1 would need 9 to make 10. Isn't that right? So which one are we going to make 10 with? Are we going to do 21 and 79 or 101 and 79? Well, if you're not sure, just try it, okay? That's why it's important to write out the equation and show work. Don't assume you will always get the right answer when you make 10, because sometimes more than one number can make 10. Therefore, you need to actually show work and be very careful. So I'm going to use 21 first, okay? Now, let's try this. 21 plus 79. 1 plus 9, obviously, we have 10. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I have 100 here if I do 21 and 79. So what if I was going to do 101 and 79? Chose those two numbers. Now let's try that. 101 and 79. Okay, let's add. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 plus 7, 0. Sorry, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Bring the 1 down. 180. So which number would work here? We need 275, right? Look for a 5 at the end. Which number has a 5? So this number has a 5. So we know that we probably are going to use this number. This is a very high chance that we're going to need 175. So which one of these two numbers plus 175 is going to give us 275? This is not so hard to do, right? Blank plus 175 is going to give us 275. Which one goes in the blank, 100 or 180? In this instance, it has to be 100, right? Let's just show everyone why this is the case. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's the right answer. So those are the three items we are picking. We're picking dress, skirt, and ring. And we're going to write Rodney bought a purse, a, a skirt, and a ring for $275. And that's what we want. Number 21 is the perfect example of why you must show work. Don't assume you can always make 10 and make it work. Okay? Thank you so much for your time and good luck on your test.